Welcome back. Had a little time finally today. Got the kids at daycare, wife's at work. The dog out here keeping me company. Been pretty busy. More so with family stuff with kids and whatnot, but haven't made many videos lately, so figured I'd make one. So I started making Jerry Hallwell powerhouse engine. So far I got a few pieces done. Wow, I guess one's done. I got 3 of them started. This one's basically finished. I just need to put a radius on the top of this. I guess it's just cosmetic stuff, but yeah, just a radius. Everything else is done on this part. And that's going to go right here. This is kind of a blank so far, I guess. Got pretty close to the width. I got quite a bit to come off the top yet, as I have to saw. Well, I'll probably use that little end mill, but get a. Not really sure I'm gonna do that yet, actually. But let's wait till the heater turns off. Alright, I don't know how loud that heater is going to be, but on the video it turned off finally. So, this is basically a blank. Started out as 1/2 inch. Actually, this is a piece of scrap I had, but milled it down from 1/2 inch. It's 3/8. Now, this is done till I get a rotary table. And his base is finished. And this is the other base. I guess that'll go right here. The flywheel goes through that cutout. And there's just like a little output shaft here. I believe the engine is a 1-inch bore. Yeah, 1-inch bore. Plan on making everything except for a couple bearings and spark plugs and the electronics, I guess. I bought some piston rings somewhere. Pause it. Here we go. Bought some piston rings. I guess they're easy to make, I guess, but I bought them. Cast iron. And spark plug. I guess it's the smallest NGK spark plug that they make. It's a CM6. It's like a 10mm bolt or thread, I guess, on it. Yeah, I'll put that away later. And some bar stock. That is cast iron for the cylinder and the head. Yeah, now I just need time, which is pretty scarce right now for this type of stuff. But I wanted to make one of these for years and years. And now I got the stuff to do it, but I don't have the time before I had the time and not the means to do it. But had a little incident with the, not an incident, like a bat. I blew a radiator hose on the Toro. Nothing major, it just started leaking. I fixed that before it got out of hand. I could mainly just smell it when it was running, and I found a crack in it. But I ordered some different parts for the lawnmower deck, basically. Like, man, do they screw you when you buy these things? Got 2 belts, 2 wheels for the front, and then that center piece, and a radiator hose. Like 230 freaking bucks. Man. But whatever, I guess. I should be good for hopefully several years now. I don't know, since the last video I got this all hooked up, somewhat more permanent. This is 24 volt switch stuff. If I ever have time, I'm going to try and hook it up to this. Just use this for the switch. It's disconnected right now. It's just a straight line right from the motor over to the VFD. I have it on, you can change this to hertz or amps. I have it on amps right now. So, it's almost, when it's on amps, almost like a little load meter, which is kind of neat. I don't know, if you keep it on hertz, it just says 60 the whole time. Well, I mean, it ramps up to it, but it says 60, so kind of neat to watch the amps, draw more amps when it's working a little bit. Father-in-law got this from work. He's going to make this into a little box to cover it eventually. Do a little modifying to it. But that should work. A couple of videos ago I talked about the pressure washer on the Toro, like a front PTO shaft. I haven't had hardly any time for that. But I actually picked up a whole snowblower for it for like 50 bucks, and it came with this pulley box. Snowblower is pretty much shot, but this will make the pressure washer way easier. So I gotta change up plans on that. Still gonna try and make it happen, but be a little different than my previous video made it out to be. And I have got 7th thou left for the finish cut. I usually don't do this one-handed. Probably go way past. Crap. I gotta put it down. I got 7 more thou. Actually been pretty fun working on this machine. It's a pretty tight machine. Really enjoy it so far. Do a quick cut here. That works pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it so far. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to work. Thanks for watching.